What even is a calorie deficit? Do I need protein shakes? Should I just quit? This is way too complicated, bro.
Stop. It's not that deep. Let me just break it down so it finally makes sense. Hi, my name is Manit and I'm just a regular girl who's trying to get lean and figuring things out. I'm no nutritionist or dietitian, I'm just letting y'all know. So in this video, I'm going to show you how I use ChatGPT to actually help me make a whole diet plan, which has worked out for me. It actually fits into my lifestyle and is not restrictive. The first step is being on a calorie deficit. So what is a calorie deficit? In simple terms, your body burns a certain amount of calories every day, and that is your maintenance. And to lose fat, you need to just go a little below the maintenance calories. So for example, if I'm supposed to have 2000 calories per day, I will just go till 1700 to 1800 calories, or maybe lower than that, but that's nothing extreme. It is that simple. You don't need to starve or anything. It's just a small consistent deficit. Step 2, don't skip meals. I used to be the person who used to try and skip meals because I thought I'll lose fat from it, but at the end of the day, I used to starve myself and ended up eating a lot more of snacks later. Have breakfast, lunch, snack and dinner, just in a balanced way. Step 3 is balancing your meals. That is something so important. It changed everything for me. A healthy plate isn't just about low calories. It's also about having the perfect amount of protein, your carbs, fiber and healthy fat. In Indian meals, we usually see roti, rice, sabzi, dal, that's it. That's basically carbs, carbs, carbs. Where's the protein? So what I started to do is balance my meal. For example, I have either rice or roti. If I usually have 2 rotis, I will have 1 roti, then replace the roti with a side salad. Then I would also have some sabzi that my mom has already made, and a source of protein like eggs, chicken, tofu, paneer, soya chunks. Dal is not a good source of protein. This also keeps me full for longer and honestly tastes good. Step 5 is the easiest one, where you just go to ChatGPT, tell them about all your lifestyle. So here's the prompt that I gave ChatGPT, but you can change it according to your preferences. If you're a vegetarian or a non-vegetarian, what's your calorie deficit target? There are certain things that I cannot miss at all, which is my coffee, so I need that every single day. What are your workout days? What protein sources do you like? So if you want to make some changes, you can do it, but it's just gonna be under your calories. And obviously ChatGPT knows what your goals are. It's flexible, it's realistic, and it's nothing complicated. Here's the bonus tip. Certain things that you need to keep in mind while having your diet plan. Make sure you have 2 liters of water every single day. If you're from Mumbai or anywhere in India actually at this point, make sure to have some electrolytes with your water so you're more energetic throughout the day. Third, you don't need to work out every single day. Just 3 or 4 times a week working out is great, but make sure to lift weights at least once or twice a week. The last one is the most important one. You don't know how stress levels can affect your weight loss journey, because when you stress, your cortisol level goes up. That causes a lot of inflammation, because honestly, stress messes with you more than like an extra roti or extra rice with your meal. This I'm saying from experience. So yeah, this is how I basically built my diet plan and it worked out for me. If you need more videos like these, then make sure to like, comment, share, subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!